Welcome dear children to the new topic. We are discussing the different types of motion in a straight line. So motion in a straight line, it is generally classified into two: uniform motion and non-uniform motion. What do you mean by uniform motion? The type of motion in which velocity remains as a constant is termed as uniform motion. And for that type of motion, acceleration will be equal to 0. So in the case of uniform motion, velocity will be a constant and its acceleration will be equal to 0. And in uniform motion itself, see, velocity is a constant means it can be either positive or negative. So uniform motion itself is of two types, that is with the positive velocity and with negative velocity. That means the body velocity positive or velocity negative, what does it indicate? The direction of motion. So the body can move with uniform velocity either in positive direction or in negative direction. Now, what are the examples for this bodies moving with positive and negative velocity? It means the body can either move in positive direction or in negative direction. That's what we mean by positive velocity and negative velocity. So that is about uniform motion. Now, another category of motion in straight line is non-uniform motion. In non-uniform motion, the velocity of the object is not a constant and its acceleration is not equal to 0. So non-uniform motion is characterized by these two things, that is velocity is not a constant and acceleration not equal to 0. And this non-uniform motion itself can be of two types, that is we said A is not equal to 0. Then this A can be either a constant or a variable, that means a varying acceleration. So in that way, that non-uniform motion can be divided into two. Non-uniform motion is classified into two: uniformly accelerated motion and non-uniformly accelerated motion. Uniformly accelerated motion means A will be a constant, acceleration will be a constant. Non-uniformly accelerated motion means A is not a constant. Okay, so that is the difference between uniformly accelerated motion and non-uniformly accelerated motion. Now, in our course of study, we will not discuss about this non-uniformly accelerated motion. We will be discussing only about uniformly accelerated motion. So, when we speak about uniformly accelerated motion, that means acceleration constant, there are two possibilities, that is acceleration can be either negative or positive. Likewise, there are two types of accelerated motion: negatively accelerated motion and positively accelerated motion. So, negatively accelerated motion and positively accelerated motion, they are actually non-uniform motion, but they are uniformly accelerated motion. So, bodies, they will move with constant acceleration which is either positive or negative. Okay. Now, the examples for negatively accelerated motion. One simple example, that is when a car is moving along a straight road in forward direction, when the brakes are applied, after the application of brakes, its speed decreases. When the speed decreases, the acceleration is said to be negative, and that type of acceleration we call, or motion we call, as negatively accelerated motion. That is an example. Another example is when a stone or any object, when it is thrown upwards, as it goes up, you know what happens? The body is not continuously going upwards. It goes up to a certain height and then it comes back. It goes to a certain height. It reaches a position, then it comes back. So that maximum height reached by the stone, what about the velocity of the object at that maximum height position? At that maximum height position, the object will have zero velocity. But At the point of throwing, when we were throwing that object, its velocity was not 0. It means that when an object is thrown upwards, its speed decreases and gradually it becomes 0. Then the point where its velocity becomes 0, thereafter it comes down. Okay, so the upward motion of any object which is thrown, that is an example of negatively accelerated motion because its speed is decreasing. So these two are the important examples of negatively accelerated motion. And the special case when the speed of an object in forward direction, when it decreases, that type of motion specially we call as retarded motion or decelerated motion. So these two words, either retarded motion or decelerated motion, means the object is moving in forward direction, that means positive direction, but its speed decreases with respect to time. So that type of motion we call as decelerated motion or retarded motion. So retarded motion or decelerated motion is actually negatively accelerated motion, but all negatively accelerated motion we cannot call as retardation. Okay, if an object is moving in negative direction, if its speed is increasing in negative direction, that type of motion is negatively accelerated motion, but it does not belong to retardation or decelerated motion because its speed is increasing. Okay, so that type of motion we cannot call as deceleration or retardation, okay, but it belongs to negatively accelerated motion. Now, positively accelerated motion means the acceleration is positive. Acceleration positive means its speed, it can denote an increase in speed. For example, when a car or any bus is going along the road in the straight line, and if the speed increases, that is the best example of positively accelerated motion. So that was the classification of motion in a straight line.